The Logan 301S Compact comes with a 32-inch long baseboard, a spring-loaded guide rail, and a parallel mat guide. Also included is a bevel cutting head with a retracting blade. It also features a start and stop indicator and a number 701 straight cutter with 3 blade depth settings. To install a blade on the 302 bevel cutter, first remove the blade holding knob. Place one Logan number 270 blade onto the surface of the blade holder and slide down until the holes meet. Replace the screw. Make sure that the blade is going through the blade slot. To install a blade on the straight cutter, first remove the chrome knurled screw and the metal blade cover. The 701 straight cutter has 3 blade depth settings: a top setting for safety for storing a blade, a center hole for cutting standard thickness mat board, and the lowest hole is used for 3/16 foam board. In this case, we'll downsize mat board. Insert the blade lining up the hole in the blade on the center hole and replace the metal blade cover. Reinsert the chrome knurled screw and tighten. To bevel cut a 3-inch opening on a blank piece of mat board, first adjust your mat guide to the 3-inch mark as shown and tighten both knobs. Make sure that you always use a backing sheet under the mat that you cut. Insert one color blank of mat board, color side down. Use a pencil to draw lines along the edge of the guide rail. Mark all 4 lines. Hook the bevel cutter onto the edge of the guide rail and line up the start and stop indicator on the back of the bevel cutting head with the drawn pencil line. Use your thumb to insert the blade, and with your left hand on the guide rail, slide forward until the lines meet at the top of the mat. Remove the blade by using your thumb on the blade holder. Rotate the mat a quarter turn and continue the same process. After the 4th cut, the window will drop free from the mat board, and you will have a perfectly beveled 3-inch bordered mat. Notice the bevel cut and the perfect 90-degree corners. To straight cut on the 301S Compact, first remove the backing sheet and the mat guide. Insert a pre-marked piece of mat board color side down under the guide rail. Line your pencil line mark along the edge of the guide rail and hook the straight cutter on the guide rail past the edge of the mat board. Pull straight back and it will size your mat board. To reinstall the parallel mat guide, see that both knobs are loosened 3 or 4 turns. Drop both wedges into the mat guide slots at the same time.